Hi there, this is Eric from Bodywork Motors. Thank you very much for joining me today. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how we remove fallout from a vehicle's paintwork. Fallout refers to the rough, sandpaper-like texture that often appears on bodywork which has never really undergone any kind of detailed cleaning or protective coatings in the past. So what is fallout and how does it affect the car's paintwork? So fallout makes your car look dirty even after regular washes, if you look at it in more detail, and this is due to a mixture of hard microcontaminants such as tiny metal shavings, rail dust, overspray, and things like tree sap that build up over time. In this case, you might wonder how to clean it. So using chemicals, brushes, water, etc. can do the job, but it takes a lot longer. The most effective method is to use a high quality clay bar. In this video, I have this 11-year-old Peugeot RCZ, and whilst the car has been well maintained, it needs a proper clay bar treatment. You can really feel the roughness while running your hands across the bodywork. Although my hands are not the best, they're great for this demonstration as they're quite rough and rugged. So to demonstrate this today, I'm using the Meguiars Smooth Surface Clay Bar Kit. If you're interested, I've included a link to buy the kit in this description. The kit contains 2 clay bars that weigh 280 grams each, a microfiber cloth, and 473 millilitres of Meguiars Quick Detailer. Keep in mind that clay bars are non-abrasive, but they are still effective at removing fallout effectively. So for me, the kit is perfect for, especially for beginners. First, I'd recommend washing and drying the paintwork beforehand. To make the clay bar easy to use, cut a small piece of clay and flatten it with your fingers until it resembles a small pancake. This will make it more effective when rubbing the bodywork and folding it over as the clay turns brown. Have the Quick Detailer microfiber at hand. Shake the bottle of the Quick Detailer and spray on an area around 1 to 2 square feet. Start rubbing the clay bar into the surface, keeping it well lubricated. You can use circular or straight motions with this clay bar, and a medium pressure is perfect. So when using the clay bar on your car, keep folding and keep flattening it as you do it, as it will keep building up contaminant. If you keep using the same surface all the time, it will become less effective. You'll be able to see that as you rub it, so keep folding it. You'll feel the surface become smoother and smoother as you rub it into the solution on the bodywork, and once it feels smooth, use a microfiber cloth to wipe any excess solution off, and keep repeating the process until you've covered the entire paintwork. Note, it's best to avoid doing this in direct sunlight, as a quick detailing solution may dry too quickly, which causes the clay bar to stick to the bodywork and leaves marks. Note the marks will come off though with a wax. So I finished cleaning half the rear boot lid, which should demonstrate the difference between a clay bar and a non-clay bar surface. Wow, check that out. I can really tell the difference in terms of feel, and you can actually hear the difference on the camera as well. So the surface is now very smooth. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how to remove fallout of your paintwork. If you share our love for cars, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and take care until we meet next time.